Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the camp mode on your Tesla using the Tesla app, which is going to be the most easy way to activate and turn it on. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up our Tesla app. And once you open it up, all you're going to do is go to climate right here. Once you click on climate, it's going to open like this. But from there on, you're going to basically pull the menu up here so you can see the camp mode option. So let's go ahead and tap on camp mode, and it is going to go ahead and turn it on so you can do camping in your Tesla. Basically, it will control the temperature, and it tells you the setting. You can always adjust the setting accordingly. And once you're ready to turn it off, just simply tap on it again, and that's how you can go ahead and turn it off. So that's how you can use the camp mode on your Tesla app. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Tesla. We'll see you guys next time.